This slide on your PowerPoint is something that you can print out if you would like a hard copy. This is a step-by-step guide on how you create a form such as a quiz. So it's a step-by-step guide. And then on the second page, again, you can print it out if you would like a hard copy, is you can change the themes, you can preview, and then it shows you how do you actually deliver a quiz. You can do it to a whole class. You can pick and choose who gets what form. You can actually make copies of the test. So say that your period 1, you want to have it in one type of form, and period 3 you want another, or you want an adaptive test of some sort, you can do that by simply making a copy. The next slide is how you actually review response. Now that your quiz or your survey or whatever is complete, this gives you a step-by-step guide. How do I review the responses? How do I see those graphs and charts? So this is a nice little tool to use when you're just beginning Google Forms.